Okay, hi Alpha students. So this one's a really easy one. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And let's see if this is it. Yes, it is. So this is what I did today. I just added the words onto the circle. I was having problems linking it together. I don't know why. Photopia doesn't let you do that. Very strange. This folder, because everything's in there, it should allow me to just move this together. But look, it doesn't. That's the whole idea behind a folder. If I go like that, if I highlight it, then yeah, it moves. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to redo this whole thing on this side. Okay. So I will turn this off, close that, and then right here. So you got this circle, this rectangle. If you find the circle underneath the rectangle, like that, then you just change the order. You can just merely take your layer and drag it. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, all I want is some text inside this circle. And the text has to do with the subject matter. So what do I teach? I teach yearbook. I teach CTE wheel. And I teach art wheel. Okay? First thing I want to do is I want to highlight that. I want to make sure it's centered. Okay? And then, let's see, what is this one? No, that's not what I want. Okay, so then undo that. Let's see. Okay, I'm kind of messing up, so let me pause. I'll be back. Okay, I think this is where it was. So I'm just going to go get my cursor right up there again and just move it down. So now it's centered. Because I teach 3 classes, I want to color these differently. I'll make this red. Oop. That's not what I want. Okay, undo. Undo. Having a ball here. Sorry about that. Okay, let's do it again. So I'm going to highlight this one. I'm going to change the color. Okay. Then highlight that one, come up here, change the color, and then I'll do this one. Red, yellow, and blue. There. Primary colors. Actually, yellow, red, and blue. Now, I can also double click over here and give it a little drop shadow, which is kind of cool. Okay, all I did was I double clicked on the right side of this layer, brought up a layer style, and I came down here and I highlight drop shadow. Now we can adjust this by just taking your cursor and moving it over. We don't want a big drop shadow like that. We just want it to sort of stand out. You can raise the opacity as I'm doing here. This is distance. Again, you can manually go in here and change that, which I do usually because this slider is kind of hard to use. And then I'm just going to click OK. So I think that looks good. All right. What I did before was I did Control click, and then I did Control G. And when I tried to move it, it just kind of messed up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click this and convert it to a smart object. When you do that, then it'll move. So that's nice. So again, make it a folder first by highlighting both layers, using the Control key, and then doing Control G. Then you can right click and choose Create Smart Object. Okay? All right. What a weird dude. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hope that helps.